Introducing Woodpecker's new variable pressure featherboard. The unique design of this featherboard makes it easier than ever to adjust pressure without moving the featherboard, and will quickly become an invaluable tool in your shop when it comes to the control of stock when routing, shaping, ripping, and resawing. Tired of resetting your featherboards 2 or 3 times? Not anymore. Woodpecker's variable pressure featherboard has a built-in adjustment plate that increases or reduces holding pressure on the feathers, and it's simple to use. Set your featherboard in place, then push down from the top to gently flex the feathers, then tighten the locking knobs. Now slide the pressure plate down to apply pressure to the feathers, then lock it in place. It's that easy. Also, the Woodpecker's variable pressure featherboard is reversible, so whether you have it on your fence or tabletop, the featherboard's feathers will be going in the right direction. Now let's give the featherboards a try, routing a door style. This new American-made featherboard is designed for any application that requires the control of a piece of wood as it's being fed along a fence or on a table. The variable pressure featherboard can be attached to any 1/4 inch T-track or 3/4 inch by 3/8 miter channel with optional hardware as well. Like all Woodpecker brand woodworking tools, the new variable pressure featherboards are manufactured in our plant right here in the USA.